Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one washing machine for the repair. It is brand white Samsung top load machine. This machine having problem with the drain issue because this machine we can switching on, but at the same time while power coming at the same time machine the drain pump getting start and continuously working. Now I'm going to check what was the problem exactly. I will show you the problem and check this one. So I'm giving power. While machine on, switching on at the same time drain pump starting. I will show you. Now see the problem. You can hear the noise. Drain pump is already working continuously. This is the problem. That mean actually through the control board power coming direct to the pump. Because of that we have to remove the main control board and we will check what is the problem exactly. After that we can troubleshoot the problem. Now I have to remove the main control board and we will check. We have to remove the back cover. Here screw, also here one screw. All the screws. Now we can take it out, back cover. Now we can lift up, and after that we have to disconnect the power harness from the board. Now I already remove all the harness. Now we can check. Now dear friends, you can check this one here. It's already damaged. See, this is one switch in assembly track. This one already gone. Now we have to replace this one. Otherwise we have to replace whole PCB, but no need to replace whole PCB. Just we can replace this one simply and we will check. Remove the screws from the board panel. We have to take it out control board. Now I already removed the control board. Now I will show you again. This is the problem. This one already gone. Now we will replace the same and we will check it is whether working or not. It should work actually after replacing this one. We will try to remove and replace it. Now we already removed that. Now we have to replace the same thing. We have same one, the number This number is ACS 1.207S. The same we have to replace, and we have already a new one. Now I'm going to replace this one. This is the new one. We can replace it and we will check. Now we are going to replace the new one. Now already replaced. Now we will check if it is work or not. Should definitely should work. Now we will check. Now I'm going to connecting to harness to the PCB and we will check. Now I already fixed with the harness. Also I'm given power. Now I have to check. Now I already given power connection to the PCB control, main PCB board, and we will start the machine. Yes, now it's not working, drain motor. Power not coming direct to the pump. Pump not working. Now we will check with the spin cycle. It is showing 8 minutes. Direct spin cycle. Yes. Yes, our job is completed. You can see spin cycle is working. No any issue. Drain pump also not now spinning. We select spinning cycle. Because of that, drain pump is working now. Not working direct. Now again we will stop the machine. Now again I will start the machine. I already given power connection to the control board again. Now I switch off. Now again I will switch on. Now drain motor not working direct. Drain pump not working direct. Now it is already completed our job. Now we have to fix with the panel and we have to complete the job. And again I will start with the spin cycle. Drain motor already working. Yes my dear, it is our job already completed. Now finally we have to fix with the panel and complete fixing. After that we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.